Hi, I'm Parker. This is 1918 NC Gears. Currently, we're just preparing for a match, checking bolts, electrical connections, making sure all pneumatics are up and running, but otherwise we're pretty well set and we're just getting ready for matches and going back to back. My role on the team is just a machinist and manufacturing and taking care of the robot. Our first competition was Kelvin. We placed second with Bedford, and then we went to GVSU as our second competition. We placed first against, we had Trisonics and the Cyberhawks with us. The robot has evolved a lot over the season. Our pickup has been like 3 different designs. Our shooter's the second design. And
one up there. They're up to good. Bedford has another one. They're flying in. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. You're trying to play some defense, slowing down that Blue Alliance onslaught.
I can't tell you how many designs we've had for Climber. Currently our Climber's the most unique thing. We climb in 4 seconds upon connecting with a mid bar straight up to traversal. So been in first since FTC, so it's one of my favorite things. I'm at robotics all the time. I'm never anywhere else.